This is the homework quiz for week number 13, and this is the third video where we're looking at problems number 8 and 17. 8 is negative 9 minus 47, and 17 is similar to that. It's negative 33 minus 48. Now, these may seem a little complicated until you remember that the best strategy for solving subtraction problems with positive and negative numbers is to turn them into addition problems. Then they're a lot easier to solve. And in this case, if we take negative 9 minus 47 and change it into negative 9 plus negative 47, then we are simply adding together two negative numbers. And that, as we saw in video number 2, is really pretty easy. So let's go ahead. We'll change this. We've already changed this from a subtraction problem into an addition problem. Here, remembering that we need to change both the subtraction sign into an addition sign and change the sign of the second number. So it was a positive, and now it's a negative. So subtracting a positive is the same thing as adding a negative. And we don't change this first number over here. It's still negative 9. So negative 9 plus negative 47. As we saw in the second video, it's just like adding. So we have negative 9, and we're going to add more negatives to that. We're going to add negative 47. And then we have 9 plus 7 is 16. Yeah, bring down the 6 and carry over the 1 into the tens place. Then you have 10 plus 40, which is 50, 56. And it's a negative because you have negatives, and adding more negatives to that, the answer is going to be a greater negative. Okay? And 17 is the same kind of problem. Here you have a negative number, and you're subtracting a positive. Subtracting a positive is the same thing as adding a negative. So now we're adding together two negative numbers. And as we've seen, that's very simple. It's simple addition, just remembering the fact that each number is negative. So negative 33 plus negative 48, 3 plus 8 is 11, and 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. It's going to be negative 81. Go ahead and try the practice problems, the practice test that has problems number 8 and 17 that are very similar to these. And remember to change your subtraction of a positive into addition of a negative, and then you'll find that they're very easy to solve.